Hey, this is Artur, CEO of Visual Sitemaps. Just wanted to give you an update on some exciting AI optimizations we've been working on in the last few weeks. So today, traditional maps, they show your structure as it is today, but they don't really show you how it should be organized. And as your website grows and your content sprawls and the pages overlap and the structure erodes, AI could really come in and help optimize all of that in just one click. What ours will do, we'll scan it, everything about the sitemap structure, the URLs, the metadata. It'll identify weak hierarchies, redundant pages, and gaps in topical coverage. Then it generates a smarter, cleaner, and more search-ready site architecture automatically in one click with a really easy to read report highlighting all of its findings. Let's see how this works. Okay, after 2 minutes, the results are in. Voila. It has a new refined site structure. It's reorganized sections for better crawlability and UX flow. No more guesswork. You'll instantly see which directories you need to merge and which to expand, which to retire. Then you've got the most powerful part, which is the content clustering and topical maps. The AI identifies relationships between pages, grouping them into meaningful clusters that reflect how the search engines and AI systems interpret your content. And this is where your site already has topical authority and where it's fragmented and where it's competing with itself. So by aligning your clusters around core themes and intents, you strengthen your internal linking and clarify content silos and signal real expertise to Google and emerging AI discovery engines. It's the foundation right now of modern SEO. And then finally, it assigns page priority and tagging, flagging the high impact pages that can deliver immediate ranking and conversion wins. And as you can see here, for this nearshore company, it's identified cloud solutions, AI solutions, nearshore software development services, and a bunch of other redirects or new sub pages here for their existing services page. Reporting, which is going to give you a breakdown of all of its findings and actionable steps around these optimizations. We'll look at that right up next. The report opens with an executive summary, which explains the overall strategy behind the proposed restructuring. It outlines how your site's content will be reorganized into a more logical hierarchy, focusing on service-driven hubs, clear topical clusters, and better conversion paths. In just a few paragraphs, you can get exactly how these changes would improve the navigation, the SEO, performance, and user flow. So the next thing is the section priority. Here we see a quick scoreboard of which areas of the site carry the greatest optimization impact. Each section is scored by priority and severity, from optimization strategy to technical considerations. And this helps you and your team focus first on what drives the biggest UX and SEO gains. And we have the key findings. This table summarizes the core issues and opportunities discovered during the crawl, things like duplicate content, crawl bloat, missing services, hierarchies, or outdated posts. For every finding, the report tells you why it matters, the expected impact, and the suggested action, so you can move from insight to fix it immediately. Then we dive into the current state analysis, which breaks down how your existing sitemap is structured right now. You'll see exactly where the content is fragmented or redundant or buried too deep, and how these issues affect crawl efficiency, internal linking, and conversion. From there, the optimization strategy. This section shows the proposed new structure and clean nested hierarchy built around service categories, content clusters, and VIP conversion paths. It includes a detailed site structure transformation tree and topical cluster recommendations table, revealing which clusters like kitchen and bath design or budget management will strengthen your topical authority and search visibility. And this is where you'll visually understand how the AI reorganized our content into meaningful silos that match user intent and modern SERP behavior. Then we have the user journey optimization table. It takes it a step further, showing how each target persona, from homeowners to investors, experience the new flow. It maps their pain points, click paths, and the optimized journey after restructuring, so you can quantify how architecture improves directly, enhance the consumer experience. You'll also get a competitive analysis section that benchmarks your structure against industry peers, highlighting where your site falls short in areas like content hubs, service hierarchy, or topical clustering. Alongside that, you have the strategic opportunities. They outline clear next steps, what to add, what to consolidate, and how to position your site to outperform competitors in organic and AI-driven discovery. The implementation roadmap translates all of this into a timeline, a phased rollout that covers critical structure first, then new cluster creation, and finally refinement and QA. It even includes redirect counts, page priorities, and workload estimates to guide your dev and content team throughout execution. And we also have technical considerations, ensuring CMS, redirect handling, and crawl validation all line up with the new architecture. So there's no broken links, no orphan pages, no wasted crawl budget. And finally, the report closes with success metrics and KPIs and measurable outcomes to track once you go live, from improved crawl depth and redirect success to traffic growth and conversion lift. You'll know exactly what success looks like at the end of every milestone. So that's it. In short, this isn't just a report, it's a complete action blueprint that bridges strategy, SEO, design, all powered by our fine-tuned AI.